Okay, in this video I will teach you how to adjust the welding focus and the spot size. First, we just rotate these wheels to adjust the welding focus and the spot size. Let's have a look. So when the machine has spark come out, that means the welding energy is too strong. It will damage the welding raw materials. So have to rotate these wheels to reduce the welding energy. Yes, just make sure the welding energy like this. It will more softer. And then put the fading wire. 把那个 and then put the wire here and to adjust the spot size. Make sure the spot size is bigger than the wire diameter. And then the energy is not strong, so have to aid the welding power. We have to aid the welding power. See in the video, just make sure the spot size is bigger than the wire diameter. Now let us show you how to weld. Welding珠啊。If the soldering effect not good, just let the customer weld twice to make sure the wire is completely soldered with the mold. Yes. That's the welding effect.